Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the settings on this device, then scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, advanced, reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset, then tap delete all data, and then tap delete all data once again in order to confirm whole operation. And after that your device will be restarted in about a minute. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.